I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future needed clarity, so I could see how you react.
This is the big beach, and just wanted to warn you, not only the currents, but the rocks, you can't see them because the water is so sandy. It's sort of a little bit dangerous, especially if you have kids. I'd watch it.
Every time that I look back, I see my fortune. So much differently.
You don't even really have to squeeze it.
This thing has been really cool. It works awesome. The water flows really good, and it's Sawyer. It's a Sawyer water filter.
I mean, it tastes bad. The first like 5 bottles taste like chlorine, but after that, now I notice these don't taste like it.
Yeah.
When you first started using it.
Okay, everybody. So we are off to the waterfall in Montezuma.
All I can say, the word is thank you. I think is what you need to push away from the shore, amongst the waves, exactly where I wanna be. I am where I wanna be. Remember the start, when my future needed clarity. Yes, I needed clarity, so I could see how you.
Don't wear those shoes. Is he jumping from there? No way.
Did you get that?
Yeah. No way. Need to wipe the screen. It's so funny to watch the white tourists climb and then the locals climb. Christy the rock climber. Oh, look at that. Look at that pro. I've been here traveling for 3 months, and this is the best food I've had. What's your name again?
Joshua.
Joshua. So Joshua in Montezuma, on the street, Main Street. Come get this. Amazing. See you guys. Hi, little bud. Hi, little buddy. Do you like the camera? You don't like being filmed, huh? My new buddy at the pizza joint. Christy's off getting wine. There's no seats at the pizzeria, so we're gonna go get it. We got 2 pizzas to go, and we're gonna go sit on the patio by the beach. I mean, take advantage of it, really. So here the beach babe comes, and I just realized I have her phone doing video. The second something gets charged on one of her credit cards, she gets a text. Crazy. I know what you spent.
What?
I know what you spent.
What?
1963.
Dollars?
Yeah. It came right through the phone. We decided to just come home, sit on the patio, and get the pizza to go. Good night, everyone. Follow us. 2 traveling lovers, tired. Good night.
Every time